Alright, chat. I'm gonna be breaking out this EURJPY 123 long trade. Okay, and this made me almost 3% in my challenge account. Okay, so I'm gonna be breaking out this whole trade idea. Okay, so let us start off with the weekly time frame. Okay, let me show you the whole trade idea from the weekly perspective. Okay, so let us go on weekly time frame first. Okay, so what do we have on weekly? We have this supply, like this fair value gap, okay, that push the price lower, okay, and that is where the we got a displacement lower from the weekly time frame. Okay, so I think this was a monthly fair value gap. Okay, so let us not go deeper into that. Okay, so let us look at this weekly time frame. What do we have? We have this weekly fair value gap, okay, which the price is reacting off of to continue lower. Okay, so like that is the fair value, that is the weekly fair value that we have right now. So let us go on daily time frame, okay, to look deeper. What do we have from daily time frame? I had this fair value. Okay, see, this fair value, the price came into this fair value, and what do we expect? We expect this low to be taken out. But no, that does not happen. The price get reacted off of that fair value, okay, and then the price decides to continue higher. Okay, so that is like that is not wrong. That is liquidity engineering. Okay, so what I am expecting is, okay, we have this weekly fair value. Okay, and yes, the price will continue lower. Okay, but first, before continue going lower, the price will first take out all the highs, okay, all the possible highs, and also engineer few buy trades, like buy traders. Okay, so now from daily I had this fair value, okay, an inverse fair value, okay, and the price was going higher. Okay, and I'm not that really confused at the moment because I know how the price takes us a high before continuing lower. Okay, so there's no surprise. Okay, the price reacted off of this fair value, inverse fair value, and now the price is going higher. So let me go on 4 hour to show you a better picture. Okay, so this is where I saw the price. Okay, that is with at that candle. Okay, you can see that is where I'm looking at the price. Okay, so what do I have? Okay, I have this area of liquidity. Okay, that was already taken out. Okay, and I'm looking at this candle, okay, wondering why the price is still going higher. Okay, and the reason is this area of liquidity, this candle's high. Okay, that is the liquidity, okay, that the price wants to take out. Okay, I don't know, I also have this area of liquidity. Okay, and I also have this area of liquidity. Okay, so now these three are my recent targets. Okay, so that is what I have, and that is what is my plan now. I will be targeting this, like any one of those liquidity. Okay, so I will choose this liquidity. Okay, because the price is more likely, like, to take out that liquidity, right? So now what do I have? I had this, like, bullish fair value on 4 hour. Okay, which the price reacted off of. Okay, and went higher. Okay, so now I want an entry. Okay, so what I will do is, because, like, if you see, okay, I have no other fair value, so I will go on more lower time frame, that is maybe 1 hour. Okay, and try to identify a liquidity area. Okay, so this was the low. Okay, this was the 4 hour fair value, the price reacted off, and now the price is bullish. Okay, I don't care about any displacement or stuff. I only care about is a fair value. Okay, so you can see I have this 1 hour fair value. Okay, and due to news, okay, like this is an unusual leg. Okay, so let me mark out a leg. Okay, let me mark out a leg for you. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the PD array from this low to that high. Okay, that's my PD array. Okay, so you can see, okay, that was my fair value. Okay, and still, like, the price has already done its move. Okay, I cannot enter off of that trade. Okay, I'm just looking at this. I'm going on lower time frames to get my entry. Okay, so that was a fair value. Okay, my, like, logical stop loss will be below this low now. Okay, so now what I have is this fair value, okay, which the price was unable displays lower, okay, like news events stuff. Okay, so yeah, that is the unusual candle, so now what I will do is I will go on more lower time frame to get an perfect entry. Okay, so now I'm on 15 minute now. Okay, on 15 minute you can see that same hourly fair value, okay, that is here. Okay, and the price is reacting off of that area. Okay, so that is exactly where I am looking at the price. Okay, so now on 15 minute I do not have any fair value. Okay, I cannot identify a fair value. Okay, and I want an entry as soon as possible. Okay, because if I enter off of any area, okay, I won't get a good risk reward, okay, to target that area. So I will go on 5 minutes again, okay, to get unfair value, okay, to enter off of my trade. Okay, so you can see on 5 minute I had this fair value, okay, exactly above this hourly fair value. Okay, you can see this was the hourly fair value. Okay, and like the price went up, we also had this fair value, but we missed that entry as well. So now I have this fair value. Okay, I have this fair value. Okay, and many people will ask, sir, there is another fair value exactly above that. Yes, that does not matter, you can enter anywhere. Okay, so now like this was the hourly fair value. Okay, price came back into that hourly fair value, went higher. Okay, so in this case, okay, like this was also a low, right? So in this case, this will be my logical stop loss, guys. Okay, this low will be my logical stop loss. Okay, so if I plan my trade here and if I place my stop loss there, okay, I won't get a like like a reasonable risk reward. Okay, I want a good risk reward. So for me, I can place my stop loss exactly below this low. Okay, exactly below this low, because I know the price has no reason, okay, to come below. Okay, because this was an hourly fair value, and the price has already fulfilled the inefficiency fair value. Okay, and now the price is moving higher. Okay, so this was the fair value I had. Okay, I think I entered off of my trade exactly on this fair value. You can see that was my entry. Okay, and this was my stop loss. Okay, and my target was this. Okay, that was my target, and this trade was well enough to give me a 1 is to 2.8 trade. Okay, so that was a good trade for me. So I entered all exactly there. Okay, you can see the screenshots. Okay, but okay, I managed to trail that targets, okay, till that high, making me almost 1 is to 3.8 something, guys. Okay, so this was the whole trade idea. Okay, and yeah, you can see the price did liquidate that high and another high, but was not unable, like what was not able to liquidate that high. Okay, I look, I guess yes, that liquidity high. Okay, so because like from the weekly, that is my fair value. Okay, if I go back on weekly, okay, that is my that is my fair value. Okay, and I'm still bearish. Okay, and I'm still bearish. So now price has no reason to go higher. Okay, now the price has no reason to go higher, and what I am expecting right now is like the price has taken already all the lows. Okay, so now what I'm expecting is the price to take out this lows. Okay, and the same idea will go here, guys. I will be identifying the fair values to enter off of a trade, target this lows. So I hope you people have get an uh overview of how this whole trade idea worked, played for me, and this trade idea, okay, came into my consideration on Wednesday. Okay, and I will not have entered the trade if there was any news. Okay, so if I show you the Forex Factory, okay, that was Wednesday. Okay, and there were no news. Okay, so that was a good day for me to enter of that trade. Okay, so I hope you get the idea. Okay, so doesn't matter your bias. Okay, as long as you have a valid liquidity target, guys. Okay, so I hope this helped you educate yourself on how I enter based on the higher time frames and the targets, guys. Okay, so thank you so much, and please do let me know if you want more of this trade breakdowns, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. So see you all on the next trade breakdown, guys. Thank you.